One of the things about soul care, I'll tell you two things. Number one is, I think it's really becoming a part of the conversation in the vineyard. No matter where I go, out west, east, north, west, south, midwest, I'm hearing people talk about the caring of their interior life. So, you know, I was hoping years ago that this would become normative, that fruitful longevity would be the norm in the vineyard, and I really see that happening. Soul care is where we take care of the gifts that God has given us. And from an energized life of spiritual formation, we engage with the world. And soul care makes an indication that there's actually been spiritual formation going on in our life. Something has been formed, something is giving life, and it's worth protecting. So we're caring for something that was actually formed, which begs the question of spiritual formation, the intake, the forming of convictions and lives and understanding and exchanging between a human and God. And it's a wonderful journey. You know, in the caring of our soul, our spiritual formation, we don't do that to hide away. It's not a religious asceticism where we hide away from the big bag boogeyman. It's not just a contemplative hiding away from the world, because actually what it is it's an interior life that is then lived outwardly towards a marginalized, hurt, and broken world. So soul care lets us do that over and over and over towards the world, because the interior life is being cared for, it's being fed, there's renewal, there's rest, there's invigoration, there's education, and then that's expressed outward. So soul care is the normative. Now here's going to be a true issue, is soul care making sure it's not just with our leaders and our pastors, that it's a part of the very fiber of discipleship into the whole congregation.